Hello students, now let's see Greenlawns paper. The first question says 1 part A. The difference between CI and SI on a certain sum of money for 2 years. So we know N is equal to 2 years is 14%. So rate percent is equal to 14% per annum. Is rupees 123.48. That's CI minus SI for 2 years is equal to 123 rupees 48 paise. Calculate the principal. That's principal is equal to rupees X. Now children, once we have that, we can use two methods. One is the formula method and one is the 100 method. I'm going to show you both. First I'll show you the 100 method because I feel that will be slightly easier. Let principal be rupees 100. So compound interest, which is given by the formula P1 plus R upon 100 is to power of N minus 1 would come out to be 100. 1 plus 14 upon 100 power of 2 minus 1, which would come out to be 100. Cancels with this 7 and 50 to give us 57 by 50 the whole square minus 1, for which we'll do difference of two squares. 57 squared minus 50 squared upon 50 squared. By difference of two squares, children, we'll get 57 minus 50, 57 plus 50 upon 50 squared. Cancels. You're left with 7 times 107. That's 100 times 7 is 700 and 7 times 7 is 49 by 25. That's as far as the compound interest is concerned. Now simple interest, children, would come out to be PRD upon 100. That's principal rate time upon 100. Give you 28. So children, now first we'll find out CI minus SI, which should be 749 divided by 25 minus 28, which would give us LCM as 28. And what we need to calculate, children, is 28 times 25, which comes out to be 700. So 749 minus 700, which is 49 by 25. Now children, we'll do unitary method. If the principal is rupees 100, the difference in terms of percentage is 49 by 25. What's the principal in terms of rupees when the difference is 123 rupees 48 paise? So children, that would come out to be 123.48 times 25 by 49. This will cancel with this with 7 children, eventually to give you 252. 252 times 25 children is 6,300 rupees. That's the principal. So children, you will get 1 mark for calculating this right and the formula, 1 mark for calculating this right and the formula, and 1 mark for the unitary method to come up, give you a total of 3. The other method, children, we can use is directly do CI, which is principal, the principal be X, of course, principal right than the formula 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power of N minus 1 minus PRT upon 100 is equal to 123 rupees 48 paise, which will be X 1 plus 14 upon 100 raised to power of 2 minus 1 minus X into rate into time upon 100. So we'll cancel with this. So that gives us X 57 squared minus 50 squared upon 50 squared minus, so cancel with this to give you 50, you will cancel with this to give you 7x upon 25 is equal to 123 rupees 48 paise. Now children, that gives us 57 minus 50, 757 plus 50, 107 upon 50 squared minus 7x upon 25. Now children, 25 to get into 50 times 50 will be 50 times 2, that's 100. So this becomes 749. So that's children 749x upon 2500 minus, now you multiplied by 100 children to make it 2500 for denominator, that's, and of course that still gives us the same thing back. 749x upon 2500 is equal to 123 rupees 48 paise. That's x is equal to 123 rupees 48 paise into 25 upon 49. That's exactly where we came at this step, which would yield us an answer of rupees 6300. So children, here in this case, this would fetch you a mark. The simplification, all the simplifications you've done will fetch you 1 mark, and the final answer 1 mark. If it's right, you'll get full 3 marks children. Let's see next question.